Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. We've been asked a question from James in Hertford about our P5330, the Amtech 200mm digital angle finder with ruler. He wants to know how to use it to find angles and cut skirting boards. After taking out the packaging, you will see there are three buttons: the on, off and zero button, the hold button and the D/M button. The on off button, if you press it, it will come on. If you press and hold it, it will turn off, and it also controls the zero function. So to ensure that it is completely flat, put it on a flat surface and then press the zero button. That way you know you're starting off at 0 degrees. The hold button, if you get into an angle where you can't read the display, measure the angle and press the hold button. Then as you bring it out, it doesn't matter if you knock it slightly, that isn't going to change. And then finally, you've got the D/M button. This allows you to change from decimal degrees to degrees and minutes for greater accuracy. So at the moment we're on degrees. We can go to 42.85, do it into degrees and minutes, and it's actually 42 degrees 51 minutes. If we go back to, it's 42.85. So that's the basic functions, but you also have the open and lock. The open and lock allows you to set it, tighten it up so that the angle won't move, and then transfer that onto your chop saw so that you get a cut exactly the right angle. So James wanted to know how he uses the angle finder and how he uses it to cut skirting. So we're going to pretend this is the wall that he's got. It's not a 90-degree angle, as most houses aren't. We're going to turn it on. We're going to put it flat so it's completely flat and then press the 0. So we know we're starting off at 0 degrees. We're going to then place the angle finder against each surface, and it's coming out as 116.85. I'm just going to hold that there. I'm then going to tighten it up and ensure that I can now transfer that onto the chop saw. Here's a bit of skirting board, so exactly the same. Make sure it's set to 0. Open up the angle. Make sure it's straight in the corner and on both surfaces, and then you can see it's 133.15. So now with the angle set on my angle finder, all I have to do is set the pitch of the blade to the same angle on my miter saw. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.